Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be creating another control, and this is going to be the last control for this. So basically we're going to create a Neumorphic checkbox. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to create highlight controls, and I don't know what to do, too many keys at the same time. Alright, um, build succeeded. Okay, everything is running alright. Cool. So let me go ahead and select controls one more time. Press Command N. Okay, and create a new SwiftUI view. This time you're gonna choose, and we're gonna call this Neumorphic checkbox. Okay, and I don't need preview. All right, so we need few properties. So we're gonna have one state property that is going to have is checked of boolean type. Basically this is going to keep a track if our checkbox is checked or not. We're going to have a text property that is actually going to be containing the text of our checkbox, text related to our checkbox. Then we're going to have a completion block, so completion block. Okay, and this is going to have a boolean and it's going to return void. Okay, now during our initialization we want to initialize this state variable. Now there is a special way of initializing state variables. If you notice, usually whenever we actually create a state variable, we actually initialize it right here, kind of like that. Now we're not going to do that because we want that value to be supplied, so we can actually take that as an initialization value. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take is checked as a initialization parameter along with text and completion, which is going to be escaping closure. Like that. Okay, and here what we're going to do, we're going to say self dot underscore is checked. So what happens is whenever you create a state variable, there is another variable with underscore that's created by Swift compiler, and what it does is basically it gives you ability to access that, so you can actually provide initial values or wrapped values. Okay, so we're gonna say a state dot initial value is gonna be same as is checked, whatever is being supplied, and then you're gonna have a text, just regular stuff, completion, like that. Okay, now what we can do is we can actually go into our body and we can say button. Okay, and this button is going to have an action, and this action is going to be, first of all, self dot is checked dot toggle. So let's toggle the is checked state, and then we're gonna say self dot completion. We're gonna call the completion, and we're gonna supply the is checked state to that, so we can let the caller know that it's been changed, and you can change yourself however you want to, or this is a notification that we want to send you telling you about that the state has been changed. Okay, gonna create an image system name, gonna check what kind of image we're gonna show by putting a conditional here, check mark versus minus. Okay, and we're gonna have our text shown as self.text and a spacer. Okay, we're gonna give a foreground color, color dot dark bluish, some padding, and our favorite Neumorphic effect. Fill color is going to be color dot bluish, and corner radius is going to be 10. All right, let's go ahead and build this. Hopefully everything should build, and let's go ahead and try it out. So we're gonna create another control here, and this is gonna be Neumorphic checkbox. Okay, so we're gonna say is checked, is true, or we can actually supply is checked. Okay, and like that, and we're gonna get there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and run this, and what we should see is a checkbox. Let me give a padding, actually. Padding, maybe 40 around it, because I want to just show you that checkbox. There we go. So if you notice, there we go. That's our effect. And as you can see, our value for the checkbox is checking and unchecking. All right. And it's got nice glow effect right there around it. It's actually not very well visible because of this thing, this background rectangle. So let me comment this one out. Actually, I should have commented all these three things out. Okay, so let's try it again, and there we go. You can see this has the same effect as our button, sort of. Okay. One more thing I forgot in the last video is to show you the reason we actually added this guy right here. So if I do this, there we go. This is the effect that you get. So if this fits your need, go ahead and do that. Like, if it doesn't look really bad, I mean, it looks actually pretty good. It grows from middle. So if this is actually what you are needing for your progress bar, go ahead and do that. But I want to have the normal progress bar. So I'm gonna go back to our good old boring progress bar that actually increases from the left to right. Okay. All right, so with that, we are done with all of our controls, believe it or not. Okay, so next video, we are going to be working on our data model. So CoreData Manager, and then we're gonna start working on our to-do list view models and views in upcoming videos. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in next video.